Hope you're enjoying these short stories. Please share the story so more friends can enjoy our channel too. Whiskers and the Giant Spider, created by Tamala. Once upon a time, in a little town tucked away in a valley, there lived a curious cat named Whiskers. Whiskers had soft orange fur, a pink nose that twitched with excitement, and a tail that swished like a ribbon whenever he got excited. Whiskers loved exploring the woods behind his house, where there were tall trees, rustling leaves, and secret paths waiting to be discovered. One sunny afternoon, while chasing a particularly fast butterfly, Whiskers stumbled upon a large, dark cave hidden behind some overgrown bushes. Whiskers twitched with curiosity as he peeked inside. The cave was cool and shadowy, and Whiskers could hear a faint, rhythmic sound echoing from deep inside. It sounded like tapping. Whiskers took a deep breath, puffed out his chest, and decided to take a closer look. He crept into the cave, his paws making soft padding sounds on the ground. As he ventured deeper, the tapping grew louder, and Whiskers' heart began to race. He wondered what could be making such a strange noise. Finally, Whiskers reached the end of the cave and saw something that made his eyes widen. In the shadows sat the biggest spider he had ever seen. The spider's legs were long and spindly, and they shined like silk in the dim light of the cave. It had big round eyes that twinkled like stars, and it was using its legs to spin a web that stretched from wall to wall. Whiskers froze in place, unsure of what to do. But then the giant spider turned around and gave him a friendly wave with one of its legs. "Hello there," the spider said in a surprisingly gentle voice. "I'm Spinner. Welcome to my home." Whiskers blinked in surprise. He hadn't expected the spider to be so nice. "Hi, I'm Whiskers," he replied, his tail swishing nervously. "What are you doing here all alone?" Spinner sighed. "I've been spinning my web for days, but I haven't had a single visitor until now. It gets a little lonely in this cave sometimes." Whiskers felt a pang of sympathy. He knew how much he loved having friends around. "Well, you're not alone anymore, Spinner. I'll keep you company. We can have an adventure together." Spinner's eyes lit up with excitement. "Oh, that sounds wonderful, but I'm not very good at going outside. My legs get all tangled up on the forest floor," he admitted shyly. "Maybe we can explore the cave together instead." Whiskers smiled and nodded. "Sure, let's find some treasure hidden in the cave." Together, they began to explore the nooks and crannies of the cave. Whiskers found shiny pebbles that glittered like diamonds, and Spinner used his webs to create twinkling decorations. As they explored, they came across a narrow passageway that led to a mysterious glowing pool. The water shimmered with a soft blue glow, and the entire cave was filled with magical, echoing sounds. Spinner whispered, "This pool is special. They say if you make a wish here, it just might come true." Whiskers twitched with excitement. He closed his eyes, made a wish, and gently dipped his paw into the glowing water. "I wish that Spinner and I could become the best of friends, and that we'd have many more adventures together." When Whiskers opened his eyes, Spinner was smiling wider than ever. "I think your wish is already coming true, Whiskers. This is the most fun I've had in ages." The two friends played around the pool, chasing their reflections and splashing the water. After a while, they grew tired and rested beside the glowing pool, looking up at the twinkling shadows on the cave walls. Spinner wrapped a cozy blanket of webs around them, and Whiskers purred softly as they both drifted off to sleep, dreaming of their next adventure. From that day on, Whiskers and Spinner became the best of friends. They explored every corner of the cave together, making music with the rocks and telling stories about the outside world. Whiskers even taught Spinner how to step outside the cave a little bit at a time, so he could feel the sunshine on his legs. And whenever anyone in the valley wondered about the mysterious tapping sounds coming from the woods, Whiskers would just smile to himself, knowing it was Spinner happily spinning away with his best friend right by his side. The end. I hope you're enjoying these short stories. Please share the story so more friends can enjoy our channel too.